Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. As you can tell, I'm actually at home again, and it's because it's actually 6:30 in the evening on Sunday, and I'm just about to sit down and start editing this week's studio vlog. So I'm literally I've been at work all day in the Catnip Studios, and you're going to see some of that at the end of this vlog today, and it's been absolutely crazy. Like, I worked at Catnip last Christmas, but it was nowhere near the scale of what we've hit, like, right now. Like, it's so crazy. Last year, like, 100 orders was like panic mode. This year, we are excited if we can get it under 100 orders, and it's just been absolutely insane. We released the wax melts and sold out in 24 hours. I'm so humbled by the support at Catnip and also the support on this YouTube channel that I just cannot wrap my head around the amount of people that are just, you know, showing support to Catnip and to myself. I just cannot thank you guys enough for allowing me to do this and say that I can do this as a job. You guys are an absolute, you know, every single one of you are just absolutely crazy. Anyway guys, I'm going to jump into editing this week's studio vlog. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye! First and foremost, I'm going to apologize, guys, for this week in just everything about this video. Like, the voiceover, hopefully I've got the remaining energy left for today. It's now 7:10 at night on a Sunday. Hopefully I can use up my remaining energy to give you a good sort of mic talk again. For those that are new to the videos, I basically do like the sort of like TED Talks, but I call them mic talks because I don't want to call them TED Talks. Anyway, so guys, this week has been hard, I'm not gonna lie. I am exhausted. I was at work today on a Sunday doing overtime because we released the wax melts, and it's sort of bittersweet because I really love how supportive you guys have been of Catnip, but at the same time, the amount of work that is required to get all of the orders out to people when you constantly are above 400 orders. And trust me, I'm not complaining. Please, I always worry when I'm talking about things like this because I fear like people are thinking that I'm ungrateful when I'm really not. Obviously, I'm just a very tired human being, and yes, I'm saying being and not being. But seriously though, I love you guys, and I wanted to take this opportunity because this week is going to be hectic. I'm going to be working every single day this week, and I am going to be vlogging it, and it's going to be a super exhausting week. But I want to take this opportunity to just give a message to everybody here, because one thing I think that a lot of people seem to forget about at this time of year is that Christmas isn't always a happy time of year. Now, I want to be happy, and I want to be supportive, and I want to be an inspiration to the people out there that really want to get started on YouTube or start their own business. I want to be an inspiration to you guys, but I appreciate that Christmas isn't always an easy time for everybody. Everybody has certain things that just stress them out at this time of year. So before I get heavily into the next week and start focusing on getting all of the orders out and just focusing on working, I wanted to take this opportunity to just take a step back and say, please do not worry if your business isn't where you wanted it to be at this point of the year. You know, some of you are going to be sitting and you're going to be having the best sales of your business life, and some of you are going to be really struggling and be really feeling it mentally and physically, that you just haven't managed to achieve that which you set out to, maybe at the beginning of the year or when you started out your business, whether or not you've been doing business for a short while. And I completely empathize with those people because I started my own business basically doing saddle resale. with my fiance. Now, I am the director. My fiance kind of just works within the business. We're like joint partners. And quite honestly, we've been doing it as a hobby now for a while, and it's been great. And then I honestly thought that we took a break because of COVID, and then I honestly thought going into it that we would be able to just kickstart everything again, and it would be where we left it off at the very beginning of the COVID outbreak. And unfortunately, we've not managed to shift a single saddle. We're still buying them, but we just cannot sell them. Now, it's partly due to the fact that it's winter and not many people are riding their horses in winter, so there's not many saddle sales, but also because we're just not that experienced in marketing saddles yet. Obviously, I do have a lot of marketing knowledge, and I know how to, you know, sell something, but it's just very difficult when it's kind of in a niche that I'm not very particularly familiar about. And also, it's just that time of the year where the weather's quite cold and it affects Ashley because she's got disabilities that affect her, and it's just a business that is unfortunately being a very slow start. So personally, in my own business life, I kind of feel like I just haven't hit that goal that I intended to hit, that I thought I was going to hit. So I want to take this opportunity to say to those people that are feeling a little bit underwhelmed with where you're at, or maybe the progress that you've made, that do not worry. There is always next week. There is always next month. There is always next year. And you know what? Sometimes the universe tells you that your time just isn't yet to be successful. And that is okay. You know, maybe even the thing that you're trying right now might not be where the universe is telling you is where your success lies. And trust me, I know that pain as well, because I tried so hard to be a full-time Twitch streamer, and I was playing Fortnite, and you know, I realized that I was never going to get big playing Fortnite. So I tried doing community games, and then went on to things like marbles. And basically, long story short, my community kind of just got bored of everything that I was doing, because it wasn't, you know, I was just switching up so much of what I was trying. I was trying new things all the time. And I'm at a point now where I'm not even really doing what I was doing 6 months ago anymore. I'm a completely changed person. And you know what? That is okay too, because I am really happy with the progress that I've made. I'm happy with the community that I've got. I'm happy with the guys that have joined me on Discord, that I get to wake up and smile and talk to every single day. Literally, I've not gone a day on Discord without having a laugh with some of the people on there, or without one of them making me smile, or making me realize just how just how much I'm helping them, and how much they're helping each other. So if you really haven't, I'd definitely check out the Discord. We've got so many artists and small businesses in there. Everybody's supporting each other, buying from each other. It's insane. And I just felt that at the very end of November, coming into December, that it's important that we take a moment as a community here on YouTube as well. We take this moment to go into the comment section and share your successes, but also share your failures as well. And please read the comments. And if you see somebody else is feeling the way that you're feeling, reach out to them. You know, you never know the connections that you might make in a YouTube comment section. And that is something that I'm really passionate about, is just getting you guys to connect with each other, as well as me being in a position to really, you know, show you guys that this can be done. Now, yeah, I might not own my own art business selling, you know, art prints and things. I mean, I'd love to potentially have my own brand of merch that, you know, has like inspirational slogans and stuff. One slogan that I've come up with recently that I'm thinking about utilizing on things and utilizing myself is inspiring people to dream more.
I wasn't talking about,
and I just love, there's something about it that I just love. I don't know if you guys agree with me. I'd love to get your thoughts in the comments, but inspiring people to dream more, it just, I don't know, there's something about it that's kind of just telling people to dream bigger, dream more. Don't just get comfortable with where you're at. Try and push for more in life. Try and get what you want in life. And that's kind of what I stand for as a creator. Now, I am going to wrap up this video, guys, by telling you all that I have a very, very exciting thing coming to you guys. And over the course of December, I'm going to be creating a series of videos that is designated to helping you guys start your own studio vlogs and YouTube channels. And I'm going to be doing a video on filming, I'm going to be doing a video on editing, and I'm going to be just talking about all of the knowledge that I've gained from doing YouTube and video editing for 10 years, as well as having a first-class degree in TV and film production. But otherwise, guys, I'm going to leave you with me and my fiance being a bit of a goof at the end of today. This was just before we left the studio, around about 5:30. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you all for listening. I've been the 𝐌𝐸𝐺𝐸𝐻, and trust me, I'm here to support you all. I wish you nothing but the best, guys. I'll see you guys in the next studio vlog. Have a wonderful holiday season. And don't forget, guys, to keep dreaming for more. It's up to you. You just have to make the decision of whether or not you want to. If you. Luke. That's why you need to figure out what you're doing. That's why it might be worth saying to your mum. Kind of like just say to your mum. Should I come round on Boxing Day or Christmas Eve or something? With all due respect, babe, I don't really feel like going to your cousins on Christmas Day.
You make it hard life yourself because you got a big bag in the way.
I know. Little froggy.